Get started. To begin, open the Cash app and scroll down. You can tap on the Taxes section directly, or use the search icon at the bottom of the screen to find it. If you've already started the process, simply tap on Resume. If not, tap to begin and follow the steps. First, you'll create a password for your taxes so you can log in across devices. Then, it will guide you through entering your basic details, like your name, address, and other personal information. If you're employed with a regular salary, this will be straightforward. But even if you have multiple income sources, the process is simple and intuitive. For salary-based jobs, you'll typically have a W-2 form, which you can input directly. If you're self-employed, you'll likely need to enter details from a 1099 form. Additionally, if you've earned interest from a bank account, you'll need to complete a 1099 INT form. You can go through other forms such as SSA or MSA as needed. I recommend tapping on each item to understand what it entails. Next, you'll move on to expenses, deductibles, and write-offs. For example, if you've traveled for work, you can enter those expenses to reduce your taxable income. Medical expenses, quarterly tax payments, and state taxes can also be included here. A helpful tip is to use the search feature at the top or bottom of the screen to quickly locate specific forms or sections, like deductibles or income forms. If you prefer, you can switch to your desktop by going to cash.app/taxes, where the process is the same, but may be more convenient if you have spreadsheets or documents on your computer. Once all your information is entered, tap Review and File. This step will identify any errors or areas where you might save additional money. I'll tap Get Ready to e-file. This will give me a summary of my federal taxes, due and state refund. I'll also get free audit defense, no hidden filing fees, and guaranteed accurate calculations with the promise of maximum refund. I'll tap Continue to proceed. Next, I'll be asked for my state ID, so I'll pause the video for a moment while I input that. Now that I've finished, I'm prompted for my PIN from last year's tax return or the AGI. I'll select the PIN option and tap Continue, then Continue again. Now it's time to review the payment options. Since I owe federal taxes, I can pay through my bank, the IRS website, or through an installment agreement. I'll opt for the bank payment to get it over with quickly. I'll enter my information and tap Continue. Now let's move on to my state refund. It turns out I overpaid on state taxes, so I'm due a refund. I can choose to deposit it into my Cash app, a different bank account, or receive a check in the mail. I'll go ahead and deposit it into my Cash app and tap Confirm Deposit. The state will send the direct deposit info to Cash app, and my refund will be added to my balance. I'll tap Continue. We've now reached the final overview. I'll review the details and consent to e-filing. To sign and submit, I'll create a PIN and tap e-file. Once everything's submitted, I'm taken to a confirmation screen. Now, Cash app will keep track of everything and notify me if my returns are accepted or if there's any action required. I can always check the status of my federal and state tax returns by going back into Cash app.